Hi everyone! Are you ready to take your English to the next level? In today's video, we'll learn how to talk about the future using two important tenses, the future simple and the future continuous. These tenses will help you express plans, predictions, and ongoing actions in the future. Stick around because there's a fun exercise waiting for you at the end to test your understanding. Let's dive in. Let's start with how we form the future simple. It's simple. We use the word will, followed by the base form of the verb. I will laugh. You will laugh. He will laugh. She will laugh. It will laugh. We will laugh. They will laugh. For negatives, we add not after will. For example, I will not work. Or, the short form, I won't work. She will not travel. Or, she won't travel. For questions, we place will at the beginning. For example, will you run tomorrow? Will they join the meeting? The future simple is used for 1. Predictions, things you think will happen. For example, it will rain tomorrow. Morocco will win the match. 2. Spontaneous decisions, decisions you make at the moment of speaking. For example, I'll help you with your homework. She'll call you later. 3. Promises or offers. For example, I'll be there on time, I promise. We'll carry your bags for you. Use the future simple when you're unsure about something or making a guess. Stay tuned for the exercise at the end of the video to test what you've just learned. Now, let's talk about the future continuous. It's formed with will be plus the verb ending in ing. I will be cooking. You will be cooking. He will be cooking. She will be cooking. It will be cooking. We will be cooking. They will be cooking. For negatives, just add not. For example, I will not be playing. Or, I won't be playing. They will not be studying. Or, they won't be studying. For questions, place will at the beginning. For example, will you be attending the meeting tomorrow? Will she be cooking dinner tonight? The future continuous is used for 1. Actions in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, this time tomorrow, I'll be flying to Paris. At 8 p.m. tonight, they'll be watching a movie. 2. Planned or expected actions. For example, next week, we'll be staying at a hotel near the beach. She'll be presenting at the conference on Monday. 3. Polite questions about someone's plans. For example, will you be using the car later? Will they be joining us for dinner? Now it's your turn to practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense, future simple or future continuous. Tomorrow, you with your project. The correct answer is, tomorrow, I will help you with your project. At 9 p.m. tonight, the football match. The correct answer is, at 9 p.m. tonight, we will be watching the football match. She, to the meeting tomorrow. The correct answer is, she will not come to the meeting tomorrow. They, to London next weekend. The correct answer is, they will travel to London next weekend. This time next year, at university. The correct answer is, this time next year, I will be studying at university. Great job, everyone! Today, you've learned how to use the future simple and future continuous tenses to talk about future actions and plans. Now it's your turn to practice. Write your own sentences in the comments below and let me know how you'll be using these tenses in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and subscribe to my channel, English with Haluza, for more lessons. In the next video, we'll explore how to use perfect tenses. Don't miss it. See you soon!